Volkswagen GTI hatchback, brake light switch location. Brake light switch location is right there. I know it's hard to find, but I already unplugged the plug. So this is the plug, just right underneath the cylinder. See right there, it's going like so. Unplug like this. This car, the problem is the brake light switch brake light all the time on. As soon as I turn the key ignition on, brake light always on. So the switch is the problem there. I hope this short video will help you find the switch, where the switch location is. Thank you.